Friends, again welcome to my vegetable garden. Today I am going to show you how with the help of polythene we can control the fruit and shoot borers in brinjal plants. You know that fruit and shoot borers in brinjal plants is the very dangerous insect that adversely affect the production of brinjal. And here is the example. Here these fruits was not covered with polythene, and you can see how the larvae of fruits and shoot borers has bored within the fruits, and it is growing within the fruits. So at first come to the mechanism of this larva. At first the adults lay their eggs at the top of the trees, and when these legs are converted to larvae, they slowly work within the stems, and sometimes they bore within the stems and grow there. That also harmfully affect the plants, and sometimes they come to the fruits and bore within the fruits and grow within the fruits. As a result, the fruit become damaged. So if we try to control this insect chemically, it will be very hard to control it chemically. But with the use of polythene bag, with the use of small polythene bag, we can easily control it. I am showing you the example. At the side of this fruit, there was a fruit which was initially covered with polythene. You are seeing that fruits. Here is the fruit, and I am uncovering it. So you can see how fresh is the brinjal. The brinjal is very fresh and high in quality. It is a high quality brinjal. There is no fault in this brinjal. No trace of fruit and shoot borers within this brinjal. So I am again covering it. The brinjal is now harvestable. I will harvest it tomorrow. I am again covering it. Now I am going to show you how this cover can be made. How the brinjal can be covered with polythene bags. Here is a brinjal at its initial stage. Here is no sign of fruits and shoot borers. You can see it. No sign of any insect. It is very pure in quality, and I will, at this initial stage, I will cover it with polythene. So we can cover it with polythene in this way. So covering the fruits in this way, it should be tied with the help of a wire. So I am tying the polythene with the brinjal with the help of a wire. So it is ready to protect the fruit and shoot borer insects. So in this way, without applying any type of chemicals, we can produce fresh brinjal. So that will be very helpful for our health, and our food will be very healthy. Our health will also be good. So thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and stay happy. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.